Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how to play Minecraft Java with friends, specifically for version 1. 21.8 I'm showing today. Open any browser and if you can't host yourself, it's easier to use a hosting service. For example, let's go to Ethernos. Yes, log in with your account. I have lots of accounts for my videos. Next we go to continue with ad blocker, it doesn't matter. Let's go to settings, specifically from the software. Let me turn off the ad block. Now let's go into the software. If you want to play vanilla, go to vanilla 1, 21.8, and click reinstall. Click yes. And after that, go to the settings. Ad break, ad break. Go to settings, make sure to enable this slider so everything works correctly. Then go to server, click enable, click yes, and wait for it to start up. After the server launches, copy the address, go to Minecraft, and click multiplayer. Now my WBS will capture Minecraft, God willing. I'll just do it like this. Click multiplayer, click add server, paste our IP here, connect, and you're ready to play. That's all there is to it. This was Edward with you. Goodbye, everyone.